Hey, good evening. It's Cameraman Dave here. Woo-hoo. And for not so obvious reasons that I'm very shortly going to explain, I'm tripping over stuff in my bedroom. I am going to use this week to make some new tunes for Lugnuts because I feel like even though the other ones are pretty good, I just want to do it. So instead of doing the regular kind of video of, I'm gonna go drive the Nürburgring or I'm going to put some dumb plastic stuff on my car, or I'm gonna see what Andre's up to. I'm just gonna take you through what I'm doing to get ready, which is not as formal as it's always been. So I guess diving right in, the first step for me was finding something to work on, and this has been treating me pretty well considering it's a very old keyboard. It's just being used as like a MIDI controller in this instance, so it's not, the voices on it aren't that important because all of it's going to be coming out of there and exported. But that does bring me to the next thing, would be to shop for some VSTs that are completely free because I'm still broke. Not broke, but I'm not a music producer. And then what's really difficult is just hoping some kind of inspiration hits you, but sometimes it's not even something you really force, you just get it, and it's kind of neat. I'll give you a quick look. A lot of the time it's kind of nice to start with a bass line, but that's not really like a rule or anything, so... It's like this. Then it'll go back to... etc. Alright, upon further thought, I'm going to do a third section. Nice bridge in there. So I think this is how it's going to go. And then that'll loop nicely back to our little, like, thing. Believe it or not, sometimes that's just what your finished product looks like. Well, that's it for me tonight. I'm gonna get down to editing this video so that I have something for tomorrow morning. I look forward to bringing you next week's video. I think I'm going to take a little bit of time after the next video to shoot more and make a couple more tracks as I just get better at using this particular workstation. It's a bit new to me, so the workflow is a little bit slow. Alright, so once again, I will be working on some music for the program from the 5th to the 10th, and so there won't be a video right on the Monday the 12th. So stay tuned, but just not on the 12th. There won't be anything there.